Show, and today we're gonna be doing a huge monster truck quiz to see if mini monster trucks are worthy of being fun to play with. So first, you have to knock down this big wall of monster trucks from here. Then you have to jump over 8 monster trucks. Then you do a backflip on that one, which I'm going to leave at that block. And then the final touch are dominoes. And let's okay. And it's gonna hit Black Ops Soldier of Fortune to show that mini monster trucks are still worthy of playing with. Okay, now here we go. Ooh, knock down some. Oh, too high. And if you haven't yet, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Oh, and thank you, Ella and Everett, for subscribing. They're on the Bro Show channel, on the Bro Show crew jumping into a pool video. And let's keep going. Hit. Didn't knock down. Ah, hit again. Ooh, Megalodon's about to fall off.
He's very
Yeah.
position.
Ooh.
Megalodon, hang on.
Come on, Rottweiler. Oh, that was a bad launch.
Yeah.
Ooh, big hit. Now
Does that count, or is he still?
that counts. Now we just have to get that tower right there.
There's only Maxie, and I forgot his name.
King Crunch and Avenger. Let's go. Ah, oh, he landed.
Yeah.
Right there. Yeah.
Come on,
Aim.
where is it? On the top.
Oh, that was a bad launch. Ooh, that was a good hit.
Oh, he's doing a wheelie.
Who? Oh no, yeah, a little bit, yeah. So let's go. Ooh. Ah, come on. Get him. Oh, we need to go a little bit softer, Rottweiler.
Because he's the dog.
Yeah.
Oh, he landed.
Oh, really? Ooh, really? Oh, but also this guy can.
Yeah, it can't do on rubber.
He can't do it on rumble, but he can stay on these 2 wheels. Come on, they're almost done with. Done! This competition is over. Rottweiler has done it. Now, but now, let's see if he can jump over.
Can't hit the monster truck.
Let's see if he can jump over 8 monster trucks.
Good boy, doggy.
Let's go. Oh, he hit Maxie. Here. Here we go. Did it? Ooh. did it. We'll try it one more time.
Yeah.
Just see if
he can land.
he still did it, but let's see if he can land it. Did
I
he do
think
it?
he hit.
Oh, okay. But he might have did it, but we'll just try it again. Landed.
He did it like 2 flips.
Yeah. Okay. Now next is the backflip ramp. No wait. My brother said I tried doing backflips with the big ones and it didn't work, but it works on the minis.
Yeah, because that's small one, right? Oh, that one didn't work.
It's hard.
You need a wide angle.
Ah, hit the wall. Oh. Back. Listen, this is harder than it looks. Ah.
He does do it.
Yeah, he does do it. Okay. It's hard.
I think
He has done it before.
you're not doing it hard enough.
There we go. He did it.
You did.
Yeah.
He almost landed a nose wheel.
Now for the final touch, the dominoes. Here we go. Oh.
Do we need
Try that
jump?
again.
How about we jump?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Oh. Yeah. Got it. Now please leave a like and subscribe. And the minis have shown that they're worthy.
Good doggy.
Yeah, and they're. I'll rate these if you have other monster truck toys and stuff, I rate these at 8.
And you can see how the big ones are smaller and the different ones.
Yeah.
And there's some minis too.
Yeah.
Hi, Plant.
Hans Vineyard. Okay. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.